Today, you're going to learn how to estimate whether you'll receive a refund or owe tax in the US using ChatGPT as your personal tax helper. I'll walk you through the exact prompts you can copy and paste so you understand your income, deductions, credits, and withholding. This guide is perfect for beginners, employees, freelancers, side hustlers, and anyone who wants a clear estimate before filing. Before you begin, gather your income details, your expected W-2 or 1099 totals, your withholding amounts, and any deductions or credits you plan to claim. The prompts will help you organize everything step by step. Start by using "Help me estimate my refund" or "tax owed for the US tax year. Here is my income, withholding, and filing status. Insert details." This gives you a quick estimate based on the numbers you provide. To get more accurate, add "Break down my income by category and show me how each part affects my tax calculation." Then refine the estimate further using "Explain which deductions I qualify for and estimate how they change my total taxable income." If you receive credits, ask "List the tax credits I may qualify for based on my situation and estimate how each one affects my refund or tax owed." If you have multiple income types, such as W-2 plus freelance, use "Combine my W-2 and 1099 income and calculate my estimated refund or balance due." Before finishing, double check with "Give me a simple summary comparing my withholding to my estimated tax liability so I can see if I owe or get a refund." Finally, build a yearly habit using "Create a routine I can follow each year to estimate my refund early and avoid surprises at tax time." And that's it. Estimating your US refund or tax owed becomes simple once your income, deductions, and credits are clear and organized. You only need to use ChatGPT at the beginning and at the end to guide your numbers confidently. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.